So let's say you're using ChatGPT to generate photos.
And when you give a prompt to change a small thing in the image, suddenly ChatGPT ends up changing the entire image. For designers, this breaks consistency in design, and this happens because prompt-based generative tools like ChatGPT are not built for controlled design workflows. So every time you ask for a design, it regenerates, not edit. Of course, the 2026 model of ChatGPT combined with DALL-E 3 shows improvement, but it still has limitation, thus making it hard to match the aesthetics of a designer. This is exactly where tools like Luminar Neo matter, a localized non-destructive control. And I will explain clearly on how this is better than other AI tools. So basically, you feed an image to this AI. Then, instead of rebuilding, you perform surgical editing on the original image. It can improve image quality, remove distractions, replace objects seamlessly, reveal hidden details, expand image without breaking composition. Unlike subscription-heavy tools, it follows a one-time purchase model. For designers, that's time saved and cost reduced. Got it?